Hi, welcome to a tutorial video for reporting.live. This video was created to guide you through the process of using the data log, as well as an overview for the maps tool with reporting.live. With this video, we have assumed that you've already signed up and completed the steps in our videos titled Getting Started, Creating Our First Report, and User Administration. Our use case is we have been approached by Hazy Tech. Hazy Tech is a technology consulting firm that is owned and operated in Palm Beach County, Florida. They are currently storing data in a number of different places. However, sales data is written to a custom web application that was developed a few years ago. Hazy Tech has developers on staff, but they'd like their team to focus on delivering code to client rather than writing reports for internal use. Before we jump into our tutorial, let's explain the Data API, which we will use to support our work. The Data API is used to collect data from systems when you're unaware of what to expect from a third-party webhook. In order to make this as simple as possible, simply point your webhook to the link on your screen. Your third-party system will now send data directly to reporting.live without having to assign any information just yet. Awesome. Now let's go into reporting.live. First, navigate to System Settings, then Transaction Log. Here you will see every bit of data being sent to your reporting.live instance and where it is coming from. Keep in mind, this simple view gives you information on what data is being sent, which in turn makes it easy to map to your reports. This also gives us IP information so we can whitelist accordingly. Looking at the previous submissions, Hazy Tech's call data comes from a third-party call center platform that can't tailor the data to reporting.live's needs. That's where the Maps tool can assist. Let's watch some data flow in via a data log. As you can see, the Data API is a powerful tool that can help you get information into reporting.live quickly. While we're in the transaction log, let's grab the JSON from a data log record and put it in a JSON file for later. We'll use this as a template for our Maps demonstration in a moment. Maps is a system developed to recognize similarities in reporting.live's reports and the data being sent to it so it can understand which report the data belongs to. Next, let's navigate to configure Maps. Let's make a new map. Click Choose File and select the JSON we saved a few moments ago. Come up with a file name that's recognizable for the report you're working with. Select the report that you'd wish to create the map file for. Notice there's an override checkbox. Only use this when you wish to override a current file with the same name. This makes it easier than going to the Edit section and deleting the existing map file. Understand that once you select the Start button, your file will be overwritten, so be careful when using the override checkbox. After clicking the Start button, you will notice a new Edit Your Map window where you have the option of mapping your template JSON data to the report data. Map the desired report fields to your JSON fields. Once you feel your map file is complete, click Save Map and you're all set. You've created your first map file. Now that you have a map file created, you have access to the Advanced Add Record API. There are additional features such as raising the probability requirements needed to match data. This just requires appending some data at the end of your Add Record webhook. For more information, please check out our API documentation for specifics. That's it. Now we're sending data using reporting.live Smart Map system. Let's open our Hazy Tech sales report to see if information is flowed into our report appropriately. Great. Now our agents have the information they need to gauge their performance. Remember, if you edit a report, you must also edit the map file so the map understands where to put the data. Your reports will still work. However, if the probability dips below your threshold because of the amount of fields you've added, it may not add the records as expected. That concludes our data mapping guide for reporting.live. For more how-to videos, please visit reporting.live/help.